Hazrat Abu Muhammad Nafi'u, the slave freed by Abu Qatada, heard that Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu said, "We were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Qaha, 3 miles away from Medina Munawwara." Abu Muhammad reports that Hazrat Abu Qatada radiyallahu anhu said, "We were at Qaha along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and some of us were wearing ihram and some of us were not wearing ihram. My companions were showing something to one another. When I saw it was an onager, my whip fell down, so they said, 'We will not help you in this case, as we are wearing ihram.' I picked it up myself and reached near the wild ass from behind, a knoll injured it and got it to my companions. Some of them said, 'Eat it,' and some of them said, 'Do not eat it.' I went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he had gone far away. I asked him, so he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Eat it, as it is lawful.' Amr bin Dinar said to us, 'Go to Saleh and ask him about this hadith and the others,' and he had come to us. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1823.